Hey guys, going to run another one for Zirls for the 2016 10th Lunar Gold Monkey. 10 spots, $15 a spot. We are live at 8:46. Two dice, must be a 4 or higher. And we've got a 10, good there. We're going to begin the giveaway at 8:46. 8:46.
Went to the first national tournament.
3, Tracy. 4, Tracy. 5, Chad. 6, Chad. 7, Tracy. 8, Tracy. After 9, Brandon on top. Brandon on the bottom. 8, 4, I'm going to wait to 8:47. 8:47, here's one that counts. Brandon Blackledge again. Dude's on fire tonight. Congratulations. We are done. 8:47, congrats. It's like groundhog.